What do you mean by the periodic function? So any function that repeats itself after regular intervals of time are called periodic functions. We can take the examples of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. If we see the sine curve, this is a sine curve, and if we take the x direction theta and this y, that y equal to sine theta, we know that is theta sine theta. So 0 degrees sine theta will be 0. At 90 sine theta will be 1. 180 the value of 0. 270 its value is minus 1, and 330 60 it is 0 again. So if I take twice pi, I can see so this will be pi, this is pi by 2, this is 3 pi by 2. So its value is first 0, then at this position it is 90, again 0, then minus 1, then again 0, then again. So after 2 pi it repeats itself. Same with the cos theta. If I take in graph, the graph will be in such way: pi by 2, this will be pi, this 3 pi by 2, twice pi, twice pi. If I see the graph, then it will be in such way. So again after twice pi it repeats itself. Its value is cos theta will be 1, 0, that is minus 1, again 0, then minus 1. So these are the periodic function which repeats itself after a regular period of time. Next topic is SHM. SHM, that is simple harmonic motion. So this is a periodic type of motion. This is a type of periodic motion. Periodic motion, that means it moves to and fro about the mean position, under a restoring force, and this restoring force is directly proportional to its displacement from the mean position, and this force is always directed towards the mean position. And the most important is this motion is represented by sin theta and cos theta, represented by harmonic functions, that is sin theta and cos theta. Now suppose if I take the example of a pendulum, this is the mean position. If I displace it to this direction, then a restoring force will act towards the mean position. So the displacement and the force are opposite, to each other. So this is the SHM. So according to it, F is directly proportional to displacement and we can write f equal to minus kx. Now what is k? K is spring constant. Spring constant, or we can call it a force constant. Force constant. Here the negative sign shows that f and x are opposite in direction. Again, from Newton's law, we can write that f equal to ma. So this is the number 1 equation and this is number 2. So if I relate this, we can write kx equal to ma. So a will be equal to minus k by mx. So here acceleration is proportional to k. So this term we denote it by omega square, that is k by m equal to, we take omega square. So and this a we can write d square x by dt square equal to minus omega square x. So we can write d square dt square plus omega square x equal to 0. This is the differential equation of SHM. So this is the very much important.